Hey friends, today, I'm kicking off a $100 grocery challenge, but with a twist. I let ChatGPT create my entire grocery list, meal plan, and even the cooking instructions. Can it really feed my family for 2 weeks? Let's find out together. So why ChatGPT? Honestly, I saw this mentioned on a TikTok and I wanted to see if this AI really could help me stick to a strict budget without sacrificing good meals. It generated a list based on simple, healthy ingredients to cover breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 2 people for 2 weeks and took into consideration dietary needs like allergies. I was impressed with what the menu showed and quite frankly, I was intrigued by doing something different with some of the same ingredients I would normally buy. With a snowstorm coming, Publix was packed, so I had to split my shopping between Publix and Food Lion. Let me show you how I made it work. Here's what I grabbed at Publix before the storm rush hit: oats, ground turkey, apples, bananas, baby carrots, blueberries buy one get one free, and baby spinach buy one get one free. I spent $27.31, including taxes. Publix was so crowded I had to wrap it up early and finish the list at Food Lion. Next, I headed to Food Lion to finish the haul and got the rest of the list. Boneless chicken breast, eggs, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, whole wheat bread, shredded cheddar cheese, frozen mixed veggies, frozen broccoli, sweet potatoes, Greek yogurt, tortilla chips, coconut milk, peanut butter, paprika, garlic powder, and ground cinnamon. I spent $87.87, including taxes. This is what made my total $115.18. Although this is more than $100, I do feel that the pending snowstorm was the reason, and that is outside of ChatGPT control. But will these groceries really last us for 2 full weeks? Let's get cooking and find out. Day 1 started out with Greek yogurt parfaits for breakfast, simple but filling. My spouse loves peanut butter, so he was just fine with the way it tasted. I, on the other hand, really like granola and found myself missing the crunchiness that granola brings to what I usually have in my parfaits. For lunch, we had chicken and roast sweet potato, which was so yummy that I forgot to take a picture. Dinner was coconut chicken curry with brown rice. We both loved this. Day 2 started out with scrambled spinach egg and a piece of toast with peanut butter on it. ChatGPT didn't tell me to add toast, but quite frankly, I simply wanted a slice of toast with peanut butter, so I added it to the menu. We used to cook with spinach on a frequent basis, and so this was a nice reminder of why we like it. For lunch, we had leftover coconut chicken curry, finishing up what had already been cooked the night before. Day 2 dinner was a planned night out, so no ChatGPT directed dinner. And there you have it. After the first 2 days of this $100 grocery challenge, I'm already learning a few things. The meals are simple, satisfying, and definitely budget-friendly. But will they last? The real challenge isn't just making the meals, it's keeping things interesting while sticking to the original list. I'm already thinking about a few adjustments I could see myself making because I already know the menu for the full 2 weeks. But I have committed to following the cooking instructions for week 1 at a minimum in order to be able to share my honest feedback. So, what's next? I'll be checking in after 1 week to discuss whether I'm still on track, how the groceries are holding up, and if I've had to make any extra trips to the store. If you're curious whether I can make it all the way through, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. Do you think I'll be able to stretch this grocery haul for a full 2 weeks? Comment below with a fork and knife if you're cheering me on. And if you've ever done a budget grocery challenge, please share your favorite meal ideas. I'd love to hear them.